like biceps.
What? And if a pussy try this,
I press
The trigger to change the color of a boy white vest. Try.
What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, on a back in full effect with another reaction for you guys. Right now we have Barbados. What's happening? Right now we have weather party, ex-Chief Diin. Is it me I say? Our chef, I don't know what's for the name. Idea, ex-Mallis. Song called Tell Them already. Is it me I say on the observation rhythm? Let's see what's popping right now. Leave a like on this video, comment on this brother. You see me? Leave a like and a comment. Road to 40k is real. We're 100 subscribers away from 40. That's the aim. That's the goal for this year. December 31st, we're supposed to be looking at 40k subscribers or even more. Surprise me. Thank you all very much for the love and support as usual. As I always say, I really appreciate it. Barbados.
40cal.
Money, rich.
Top farm records don't think twice to harm
Big up Top Farm Records
just
one time.
noise and blow hard storm winds. Malice voice all things. To find them we do what like 110 car rims.
Ow. Tell them already and I tell
This
them
look like my
again.
uncle.
Triple
Damn.
C's will call them. Tell them already and I tell them again. Because come from foreign.
Song called,
Tell
yeah,
them
song called
already
Tell
and I
Them
tell them again. Big lips sound like a margin.
Alright.
Tell them already and I tell them again. In your face I fuck all in.
Shit.
I will leave men like this. My gun oil up and shots fat like biceps.
What?
and if a pussy try this,
I press
The trigger to change the color of a boy white vest. Try test. This Glock 40 is the nicest. Hardcore like the freeze already ice met.
triple C's in the team to fuck around, so it's better for you
You
to
just say crip because he's doing the crip sign. From my point of view, I've seen the crip sign. How they go though?
Of a boy white vest. Try test. This Glock 40 is the nicest. Hardcore like the freeze already ice met.
What?
triple C's in the team to fuck around, so it's better for you to go and try
If
sex.
you brave, you can try test. Tell them already and I tell them again.
KLG will corn them.
What?
Tell them already and I tell them again.
For your spit when this clock performing.
Put them a warn me. Tell them already and I tell them again. Then we get what call them KLG, we call them whatever you say.
Tell them already and I tell them again.
Broomsticks come out after a warning.
Yeah.
Tell them already and I tell them again.
Top farm don't deal with no talking. I don't have to tell you again.
Well, I'm pause. I run back in a year verse. As me I say, what that's the Top Farm don't deal with no talking. As me say, big up to Top Farm record. Oh, you go Top Farm. I would do that. Records and ships. I think I saw that.
For your spit when this clock performing.
Yeah.
Tell them already and I tell
I
them
jump in now.
again.
Broomsticks come out after a warning.
Tell them already and I tell them again.
Top farm don't deal with no talking. I don't have to tell you again. Next thing I will do is fuck telling you brain.
Yeah.
Watch your head swing like
You
Tucci.
hear that? The dog say not to tell him no again. The next thing he's going to do, people, is clap 10 of them brain. He doesn't have to tell them again. The next thing World Boss is going to do is clap 10 of them brain. Run back in them verse. Run tune.
Already and I tell them again.
Top farm don't deal with no talking. I don't have to tell you again. Next thing I will do is fuck telling you brain. Watch your head swing like Tucci. From this handgun that spit blue flames.
I don't play, I'm not into games.
I never had a gun that retire. Come on, all my guns spit blue fire. Ow.
Boy like Vespire.
Send a little separate dress in a dress for you.
Them hold it like expired. That means your life have expiry date, youth. Your life have expiry date. The man them tell you already, you know? And then I'm gonna tell you again, you know? You go check out the song right now, no? The song in the description, no? You see me, I say? Go pray it. Leave a like. Just some fire emoji. Make them know so the reaction bar selling over this right now. But running through.
Tell them already and I tell them again.
Forensics will do chalking.
Yeah.
Tell them
Gonna
already.
pause. If first is gonna do chalk in the dead. Yeah, that use chalk and draw white line on the body. That the man mean if you don't understand the dog mean. They're gonna use a chalk, a white chalk preferably. Draw a line on the body. You pronounce.
Tell
Forensic.
them again.
Seas don't do kachaaring.
Yeah.
Tell them already and I tell them again.
Hands raised like the sun in the morning.
Alright then.
Tell them already and I tell them
Corn
again.
them, corn them. Tell them already and I tell them again.
Hey, push it up now. Look at them now. Hey, I know you use it
In the
again.
morning.
Tell them already and I
Take
tell
them
them
girl now,
again.
you.
Corn
Remember
them.
that? Take them girl. Take that girl. Take that girl. Take that girl. Take that girl. What you mean?
Yota.
Yota.
All of the pin scheme, we don't do lip thing.
See him so. Take that girl, you. Hold on. Come queen again. Ready to take them girl again. Ready now.
All of the pin
Stop
thing, we
ready
don't
when
do the
there.
pin thing.
Take them girl, take them girl, take them girl. What? Hey!
40 caliber.
Top.
Ow.
Rockers.
Is I'm gonna ready? I can't do this to me, dog. Reaction shot, you know, dog. Good job. Tell them already and I tell them again. Tell them already and I tell them again. Rest in peace. Stop for Americans. Stop good for Fry Eye. BIM vibes. Bim. Big up on yourself. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. You have made to the end of another reaction from me. Thank you very much for supporting me. I hope. You know what? I am sitting at 40,000 subscribers right now. I'm currently not at the time of this recording. Let me show you guys so you guys don't know. Say the reaction boss don't play when I'm out here on the internet. Reaction boss is currently at. Hey phone, focus on the ramp with the reaction boss today. Currently at 39.9k as you can see. But we're signing out and I'm telling you, I am currently at 40,000 subscribers right now. Peace out.